Kenya is in mourning. Akenya magĩcakaya na Kîeha na Maithori maremetwo kũingĩrĩria kĩeha kĩao after the news of the passing of baby Zayed, kahĩĩ karĩa one day ago was reported missing, a 3-year-old boy, na karatuĩka atĩ korĩire mwena wa Mwĩhoko Discovery Area, Mwĩhoko, Kiambu County. Na in the report that was shared widely across the entire country by the Missing Child Alert Kenya, nĩgetha Akenya magĩkorwo magĩteithĩrĩria gũkorwo magĩetha kahĩĩ gaka. The report read that Zayed Mukolwe, 3 years, male, last seen on 6th August 2023 at 12 noon in his home area of Gashiriro Discovery Area, Mwĩhoko, Kiambu County. He was last seen wearing a grey sweater, white shorts with Adidas branding, and yellow Crocs shoes. The matter was reported to Mwĩhoko Police Station, and any tips from the public can also be reported to SP Gatharani Barracks. Anyone with information, please call Missing Child Kenya. This is their toll-free line. Arĩyo alert ĩrakorirwo ĩgĩcĩo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ widely as the baby went missing. Na thutha ũcio Akenya mareyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na njĩra nene mũno trying to find this boy, na magĩkiuga nĩ ndeto ya kĩeha mũno, and also praying that all is well with the boy. But sadly, ndeto nĩndĩkĩte gũkorwo ĩgĩconfirmwo atĩ baby Zayed was found, and sadly he was found deceased. Na nĩ ndeto yatiga Akenya na kĩeha kĩnene mũno na maithori na ruo rũnene mũno magĩcakaya gĩkuũ gĩa kana gaka, oho makĩũmĩrĩria family yake na njĩra nene mũno. It is so sad. The baby went missing only to be found dead later on, na makĩmũmĩrĩria na njĩra nene mũno. Na this is the official report released by Missing Child Kenya. It is with great sadness to announce that Zayed Mukolwe was confirmed as found deceased on 7th August 2023. Our sincere condolences to the family and friends. Thank you to everyone who shared the original alert poster. Na our deepest and most sincere condolences kũrĩ family ya baby Zayed na the entire people of Mwĩhoko as they mourn the death of this baby. Arohurũka ũhoro. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Gîkuû celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.